Hello there, Happy New Year! We're going to be reviewing today these paints by Arteza. They sent me this set of 32 pouring acrylic colors. So Arteza is gonna give away a set of these pouring acrylic colors. And in order to participate in the giveaway, you have to complete some requirements. So you have to follow Arteza YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link on the description for the video. You have to like their last video. You have to leave a comment on their last video. You have to like this video and leave a comment on this video. And on the description for the video, I'm gonna tell you which countries are eligible. I'm gonna put all the requirements on the description for the video, and also please find all the supplies on a link I'm gonna give you to our website. We're gonna put links to all the supplies on the website and all the information that you need to create this piece that we're gonna do today. It's the first time I get some black canvases. I think that is fabulous, so you don't have to worry about the size. So we're gonna use one of these 8x10 black canvases. So I'm going to do a tree ringing here. Wow, it looks so pretty. I just want to leave it like that. No, that's not possible. This is so pretty. Okay, I don't want to do anything else in here. So what I'm gonna do, the easiest part is that since you did not mix the paint, you can either put it from here, but I'm just gonna put it from the bottom. Let's see. Now this is me inventing. This other coloring here. Oh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. And this is my pillow or base. Please find the videos on the classroom how to prepare this, and this is the cell activator. And these are the Arteza colors that we're going to be using today: Tallow Blue, Silver, Mars Black, and Neon Blue. And we're going to use a cradle board. Now I'm going to put more in the center. Okay, so I'm going to, there's nothing on the paint. This is how the Arteza pouring acrylic colors, right, the way they come from the bottle. And I'm just going to put a little bit in here. And mess up my back. Before I blow with my new gadget, I'm going to use my mouth. And I'm just going to open my mouth, and I won't be able to show you this. I'm going to open my mouth and blow on top of this, and move it down. Okay, so now I'm going to use my gadget. Let's see. So let's blow it in here. I think I'm gonna use also my straw. Whoopsie daisy. Wow. So maybe this is what not to do. So I think I like better the effect that I get with the gadget. What do you think? See, I'm showing you difference between blowing with a straw and blowing with a gadget. I think I like the effect of blowing with the gadget best. So I'm gonna use the gadget now. It's gonna be tricky to learn how to use this gadget. So I'm gonna leave some with the, see, some round like that, and I'm gonna break others with the Gadget. So you have the option of doing both. So now I'm gonna move this. I'm quite happy with it. What do you think? I don't want to do anything else. I have a lot of negative space. That's all right. What I'm gonna do, because what I like is that I use different objects. So I use two different things. I use my mouth, three. I use my mouse, I use a straw, and I use the Gadget. And if you see, with a straw, you get round effect. But with the Gadget, it's like it breaks more. So I think it's a beautiful effect, and I hope you like what I show you today. I'm going to just put a tiny bit of white in here. See if I can do it. That's better.